Welcome back. We are now in the Meeting tab in your Settings area. Now that we have worked with the Schedule Meeting submenu, we're going to click on the In Meeting submenu. And there are a few settings that are going to be important. You can allow or disable private chat between members by enabling this tab. You can auto-save all of the in-meeting chats. You can play sounds when individuals leave or come to the meeting. Now, by default, you cannot have individuals transferring files inside of your meeting, but you can enable that feature. And you can also add polling to your meeting controls so that when you open up the Zoom meeting, this will be available to you. Now, by default, the meeting control bar does not show in your screen. You can make it so that this meeting toolbar always shows. You can make it so that your Zoom windows show during a screen share, or you can leave it disabled by default. In most cases, you're going to want to leave this disabled by default unless you have a specific reason as to why you'd want to keep them. You can make it so that only the host can share their screen, or you can keep it at the default setting so that all participants can share their screen. And so what you'll want to do is you'll want to go through the rest of the controls to determine how you want your meetings to operate. And once you've done that, you can then work with the In Meeting tab, the more advanced settings. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.